Kevin Striggy with Catalina Island Vacation Rentals on Catalina Island in California, 22 miles off the coast of Long Beach, LA. We've grown the company over the last 10 years from about 60 properties to a little over 200, and I don't have time to get into the daily business of running SEO and all of that, but yet I can go to like I'm in a class this week with Trent here, and I can go there and get a little bit of gratification knowing that every time we bring up our stats, there we are, we're right where we're supposed to be. You know, I go home and I'm looking at things a little differently, you know, and it gives me ideas to go home and market different. We're in the process of hiring a new marketing director right now, and it really has done me well to be here because now I know how to set up criteria for this person, what they should be doing, and you know, I don't have to know the details of everything that goes on, but I gotta know to ask the right questions, and that's what I really look at these training sessions to do for me.